Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into the world of Systemeio and uncovering the ins and outs of their affiliate program. Also, we'll explore how to apply, create effective funnels, drive traffic to your links, and take advantage of free tools they generously provide. Stick around because the last one is a game changer. And just imagine, guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home, build systems that generate money on autopilot, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? At any point, if you're really interested in my preferred method to earn around $5,000 to $10,000 monthly from home, just using your computer and internet connection, click the first link down below and I'll share my favorite strategy with you. Guys, I came from zero. Now I'm a proud owner of a company called Colabic LLC, where it teaches people how to run an affiliate business on autopilot. And if you stick to this video till the end, I'm about to give you a bonus of $97 absolutely for free. As you can see on the screen, Digistore24 is one of the best affiliate platform in the marketplace. And I've listed my own program over there called the Stasho method. And I'm charging $20 right now, but in future I'm about to charge $97. And the exact program, I would be giving it away for free. So please stick to this video till the end. Now let's jump right in. Before we get started, let's quickly recap what Systemeio is all about. It's a comprehensive marketing platform that caters to individuals looking to streamline their marketing efforts. From creating funnels and managing email campaigns to building websites and online courses. Systemeio consolidates all these functionalities into one tool. And the unique selling point, it offered at different pricing tiers, $27, $47, and $97 per month. Now, here is the kicker. You don't need to be a paying customer to join their affiliate program. Anyone can become an affiliate, and here is why it matters. The pricing plans play a crucial role because they translate into 60% lifetime commissions for affiliates. Since the subscriptions are monthly, this means you earn that commissions every month from each referred user. For example, if someone opts for the $27 per month startup plan, you'll be making $16 monthly from that single referral. And imagine the potential if you can multiply this with more referrals. Now, let's move on to how you can become an Systemeio affiliate. So to become an affiliate, it's a straightforward process. You can either Google Systemeio referral programs or head to their homepage, scroll down to the bottom and click on Become an Affiliate. Then after, enter your email address and voila, you are an affiliate of Systemeio now. So they provide a wealth of introductory videos and guides, all available on their website. So what sets Systemeio apart is their willingness to offer free resources to affiliates, and we'll dive into that later on. Now, let's talk about setting up your account and creating a funnel. So once you get registered, you will be receiving an email to your mail. Just go and activate your account. Once you are into your dashboard, it's pretty straightforward. Head to funnels, click create, name your funnel and choose its goal. For affiliate marketing, we often aim to build an audience and collect email addresses. But why? Because a growing email list becomes a powerful asset for promoting Systemeio repeatedly. So let's name our funnel. For example, I'll call it as Colabic. Select the goal as build an audience and save it. So if you would like to build a funnel for yourself, I'll link down with the resource down in the description. You can please watch that video, how to create a funnel or how to create this landing page to promote Systemeio program. So once you're done with your funnel building or with your landing page, now we have to focus on generating traffic. Generating traffic is where the magic happens. So I won't go into the specifics as it depends on your strategy. But here are few options. You can visit the third link in the description. Watch the presentation like how to do affiliate marketing. Get registered first. Then after, you would be diverted to a free masterclass. Please watch the complete 2 hours masterclass. Then if you are interested, then you can join the club. Okay. And I'll be giving you few of my own strategies like how I would be driving traffic. You can create YouTube tutorials leveraging the platform's vast audience. People actively search for Systemeio related content, right? So what you have to do is just by making use of a few softwares to record screen, I make use of Active Presenter. You can also please download that software, record the screen reviewing the product, then after you can post it on YouTube and you can watch people visiting or people viewing your videos, and then after you can link down the affiliate link in the description and asking people to divert from there. And the other method I would be following is like using Google. So you have to find topics people are searching for, create articles and blog posts and include your affiliate link. For example, when you search for how to create a landing page with Systemeio.io, you come across with the articles from medium.com. So medium.com is a platform where you can easily write articles and post it, and it is very easy to rank on Google search engine. If you come across with your own website, then it's difficult to rank, but with medium.com it's very easy. As you can see, I'm showing you a live example. This person have ranked their article, and you can imagine like how traffic would be generated and how much sales he might obtained by just promoting an affiliate link into that article. So this is quite simple. So I would be like suggesting for you how to write an article. So for content creation, you can leverage tools like Chat GPT. Okay, so here is a script you can follow. As you can see on the screen, I've created an article just by following this script within minutes. So you can also please follow this script, create your own article, go to medium.com, post it, and also take few images from your images or screenshots accordingly, and keep it in your article, and also include your affiliate link anywhere in this article. So this way you can efficiently create high quality content without spending hours writing. And also you can look at what successful affiliates are doing and model your approach after them. And as I promised, I would like to give you my own program. The program name is called the Stasho method, where I teach people how to start a supplement business online without any inventory or product. So you can copy the link, get registered. I would be directly sending you with my program, or you can visit the second or third link in the description. That's very easy. So at last, I would like to conclude saying affiliate marketing with Systemeio.io offers great potential, but success requires consistent effort and using multiple platforms. Whether it's your YouTube, Google, or medium.com, choose your traffic source wisely. And guys, if you like to know my preferred method, then please visit the first link in the description. It's very easy. Why? Because the script which I've given you for Chat GPT, I've got it from the same link. Get registered. You'll come across with many strategies. Make use of those strategies and start making money for your success. So guys, meet you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye. Please do subscribe.